Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my current favorite nude lipsticks. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I have a combination of a few drugstore as well as high-end lipsticks, and also I'm going to show you the hand and lip swatches. Just a little disclaimer that the swatches on the lips may look different on you as well as on me, so just keep that in mind because we all have different skin tones, undertones. All of those factors contribute to how the shade looks. And also I would like to mention that the video is shot in natural daylight and you are seeing the swatches in the natural daylight. I'm also going to leave the link to buy all of these lipsticks in the description bar below, so you can check that out if you want. Okay, so the first lipstick I have is from Nykaa, and this is their matte to last liquid lipstick. This is the mini one in the shade Bombay. This one retails for rupees 239 and you get 1.2 ml of the product. This is like a peachy nude with hints of red in it. So mine is almost empty now, as you can see. So this is how the shade Bombay looks on my hand. As you can see, it is a very pretty peachy nude, and it also has hints of brown and red in it. Is also from Nykaa, and this is the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Lacy Luck. This one retails for 699 Indian rupees and you get 2.8 grams of the product. So as you can see, this is a lot used and loved by me. So let's swatch it. So this is how the shade Lacy Luck looks like. I have the Flower Beauty Petal Pout lip color. So this is how the lipstick looks like, and this one is in the shade Cinnamon Crush 030, and it is a matte lipstick. Also the last two lipsticks shown in the video were matte. The first one was a liquid lipstick and the second one, Lacy Luck, was also a matte lipstick. And this one is also a matte lipstick, but it is not like a drying matte. Like the liquid lipstick was a little bit drying, and the Mattelicious Lip Crayon is not drying on my lips. It is very moisturizing and also it feels very comfortable. It's a matte lipstick, but it is a very comfortable lipstick, and also it does has kind of a little bit of a sheen when you apply it, but it is very comfortable on the lips and not drying at all. So this is how the shade Cinnamon Crush looks like. And this is, I don't know, on the camera it is looking a little pinkier, but it is more of a brownie nude. Okay, so this is how the shade Cinnamon Crush looks like. It is a brownie shade. It is not actually a nude shade for me. It is a little bit darker than a nude shade, but I like to apply it in a very subtle manner, and that way it looks like a nice brownie nude on me. But for darker complexions, I think this will be a good nude shade. And this lipstick retails for 699 Indian rupees and you get 3.2 grams of the product. Also you can find this particular lipstick on good discounts on Nykaa, so I will leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to. Next up I have something from Lakme. So this is the Lakme 925 Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Blush Velvet. And this is a pretty mauvish nude shade. Maybe I shall swatch it here. So this is how the shade Blush Velvet looks like. Lakme lipstick retails for 675 Indian rupees and you get 9 grams of the product. This one is also very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel drying at all, being a liquid lipstick. So next lipstick I have is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Crayon. It retails for rupees 599 and you get 1.2 grams of the product. I have it in the shade Lead the Way. It is a nude pink shade. So this is the shade Lead the Way. I don't know about other shades from this line, but this particular shade, once you apply it and you give it like 5 minutes, it just settles on your lips. It just sets on your lips and then it doesn't budge anywhere. Although it is a crayon, but it acts like a liquid lipstick, and also it is very comfortable on the lips. Next up I have the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and this one is from the Coffee Editions in the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So this one retails for 650 Indian rupees and you get 5 ml of the product. And this shade is a very nude shade. This is how the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer looks like. The way in which I like to apply this shade is by tapping it on my lips. I do not like to apply this one like a full-on lipstick because it feels sticky that way. So as you can see, it is a very peachy kind of a nude shade. Then I just tap the lipstick like this. So next up I have the MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in the shade Stay Curious, and this one retails for rupees 1850 and you get 3 grams of the product. And as you can see, I have used this lipstick quite a lot and I'm going to swatch it here. This is how the shade Stay Curious looks like. It is more of a reddish kind of a nude shade. This one is very comfortable on the lips. The finish of this lipstick is different from the rest of the lipsticks which I have shown. It is not a matte lipstick, but it is not a satin lipstick either. The finish is very different and it gives kind of a blotted look to the lips. So that's about this lipstick. So next up I have this lipstick from Bobbi Brown. This is the Bobbi Brown Luxury Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Sandwash Pink, and this retails for 3850 Indian rupees and you get 3.8 grams of the product. Now this one has a very gel, not gel like, but it feels very balmy on the lips, and also it has more of a satin kind of finish. The shade I don't think you can find on Nykaa, but you can find other shades from this range on Nykaa, and I have quoted the price of this from the Nykaa's website for better understanding. So I will swatch it here. Shade Sandwash Pink looks like. On camera it is looking more pink, I don't know why, but it looks more of mixture of pink and lilac. The last product I have is not a lipstick, it's actually a gloss, and it's from Bobbi Brown. This is their crushed oil infused gloss, and this one I have it in the shade Force of Nature. This one retails for 1900 Indian rupees and I think you get 9 ml of the product. I will mention the quantity and the price on the screen somewhere. Very nude brownish kind of a gloss, and this is also non-sticky. Like, it is sticky being a gloss, but it is not that much sticky. Like usually most of the glosses are very sticky. This is how the shade Force of Nature looks like. Right, so that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching the video. And if you have any queries, then you can leave it in the comment section below. And also I hope that the swatches were informative to you and you can pick up the shades which you want to based on the swatches. So that was all for the video, and I shall see you all next time. Till then, take care.